If you have a phone and internet connection in about 30 minutes a day, you're going to be able to learn how to generate $150 or more every single day like total clockwork. What's going on? 𝐀𝐟𝐼R𝐻 here, back with another video. And in today's video, I'm going to reveal a simple newbie-friendly method anyone can use that's totally free to apply. And by the end of this video, when you start to apply it, you can realistically generate income even if you're completely brand new online. So I'm going to hop on my computer in just a second, but if you're new to my channel and you never want to miss out on my latest step-by-step training videos, be sure to hit the subscribe button and the bell icon, and also drop a like if you get value in this video. So without further ado, let me hop on my computer and let's dive in right now. For this method, what we're going to do is we're actually going to find a very low ticket product to start promoting. Now, this is going to be an impulse buy, okay? So with this method, we want people just buying without thinking a lot about it, so we can start to rack up a lot of commissions and a lot of money. Now, there's a lot of places online you can find these low ticket offers as far as it for impulse buying, but one place I'm going to use is actually ClickBank, okay? So you can actually go to clickbank.com, create a free account, and once you're inside, okay, you want to go to the marketplace at the top. Now, if you're watching this video, maybe you're in a country that ClickBank doesn't work, or it doesn't exist for your place of living, you can do this method with any other affiliate platform, okay? So what we want to do is we want to actually go here where it says find products, and we want to type in free plus shipping, okay? And we want to actually search that, because what this is going to do is this is going to filter for products that are actually free for people. They just have to pay the shipping. So again, it's a very low ticket offer. People are going to buy this very quickly, very easily. And again, as long as we get a lot of traffic and clicks, which I'm going to share as you keep watching this video, we're going to start to rack up a lot of commissions. Okay, so you can see right here, I can open up a few of these to kind of share with you what this looks like. So if I go here, right, so it's this page right here, and then people can actually go down, and if they go to claim their free knife, it just basically gets them to pay for shipping, okay, which is usually around like this $9.95, $14.95, okay, depending on how many they want. Okay, so these offers convert very, very easily. Okay, I can go down, and a lot of these are very similar. They even have like this paleo reboot. Okay, so this one's about like paleo, about health and diet. You can see what it looks like. They have a video, claim your free paleo beginner's guide. Okay, and then when they click enter your shipping details, they basically go there, and then it just takes them to fill out their information and to actually purchase this. Okay, you can see right here, and this would cost them okay, $9.95 for shipping, right? So again, you're going to get a lot of conversions. Now, what we're going to do is we're actually going to use Instagram, which is totally free, totally simple. You can use it just from your phone to start to get massive traffic and clicks to whatever offer we decide to promote, so we can start to generate up to $150 or more every single day. So now that we found a high converting, low ticket offer that's more of an impulse buy, the next step is we want to grow our Instagram account, because the more followers and engagement we can get, the more traffic and clicks to our affiliate offer, the more sales and money we're going to start to make. Now, this is the hardest part, but stick with me in this video, because I'm going to reveal some proven strategies you can deploy to start to grow your account very easily and very quickly. Now, this may take a little bit of time though, so I want you to be patient with this method, okay? So in the beginning, you may make $30, $40 a day, and as your account grows, you start to get more engagement, more followers, you can easily scale that to $150, even up to $300 or more a day, okay? A lot of people are using this method very effectively, and I want to share with you how to do it right now. So let me hop on and break this down step by simple step. Okay, now let's say we wanted to promote a product on Instagram, like for example, this one here, right? We chose the paleo product. Well, what you can do is you can actually go to Instagram, and first you want to create an account. Okay, now it's very simple to create a free account, and all you want to do is just make sure that your profile looks professional, okay? You can actually go to a site called canva.com, and you can type in logo, okay? And you can actually create a free logo very, very easily. So we can create a blank logo. Now we can go in and we can just create this very simply, okay? So I can go ahead and, click this, for example, right? And I can just edit this text, and I can do, health and fitness tips, okay? Or whatever the niche is, you can do there, okay? And I can spend more time on that, but basically, okay, you can delete these different pieces here. okay? And that's looking pretty good. And again, you can spend more time on that. You can center it. But that's basically could be your logo on Instagram. So you would just download this and you would make that your profile photo, okay, like this right there. You also want to take your affiliate link, okay? So on ClickBank right here, you can just click promote. And what you can do is actually generate hop links. And this link right here, you can actually put in your profile on Instagram, okay? So for example, if I go to this one right here, you're gonna see that they have this link, okay? You could actually put your affiliate link there. And what we're gonna do is we're gonna start to build a following on these pages with engagement, okay? And we're gonna start to get people to go to this link. And because it's very cheap and it looks free, right? They just have to pay shipping. We're gonna start to make a lot of sales. So how do we do this? Well, you can actually go to a site called unsplash.com. These are free usable images, okay? So you can actually type in, you know, like health and fitness, right? A few words that have to do with your niche that the product you're promoting is in. So I can do health and fitness, and I can see that, you know, there's a lot of these different images that I can actually use on Instagram, okay? Now, some of them have a copyright, so you want to make sure, okay? So if I open this one, you can see that it says this photo is actually free to use under the Unsplash license. Now, the Unsplash license basically says all photos can be downloaded and used for free, commercial and non-commercial purposes, okay? So I can actually download this photo and then I can upload it on my Instagram. And because these photos are very high quality, you're gonna start to get engagement, okay? But there's another thing we wanna do. We wanna make sure we use hashtags, okay? Because when it comes to building this, now this photo is not using hashtags because they already have a big following. But when we first start, the way people are going to find our photos is through hashtags, okay? So if I search in, you know, hashtag health and fitness, and I search that, okay, we're going to see that a lot of photos are going to show up, okay? Now these photos are tagged, okay, with that hashtag. So you can see right here, and that's how people are finding this photo, and you're going to start to get engagement. Like I said, because these photos right here are very high quality, right? When we actually post these on Instagram, we're going to start to get people's interest. People are going to start to see this and think, wow, like this is really good, okay? So again, we want to actually use hashtags on our photos. Now, what are the best hashtags to use? Because you don't want to use, let's say this one where it has, you know, over 3 million posts. That's a lot of competition. When you're first starting out, okay, I recommend you go to the search bar, you start typing in words that have to do with your niche, like this, okay? And we want to look at how many posts these hashtags have. And we want to use hashtags that have anywhere from about 10,000 to about 50,000 posts, because that's way less competition. And when we use these hashtags, okay, on our photo, it's going to be able to actually show up and rank on these listings here. And when people see it and they go and they see the logo, okay, on our profile, they see our bio, which is going to actually have, okay, our link, right? We're going to have our link right here, okay, just like this person. They're going to start to click it, okay? And because it looks free and it has to do with the niche that we're in, they're going to be able to click here and then again go to the order form, and we're going to start to make these impulse buys very, very easily, okay? So remember, Instagram takes a little bit of time to build. This is a long-term strategy, but if you're someone that's serious about actually building a long-term income, a side hustle that you can guarantee yourself over the long term, again, this method is incredibly powerful. I really hope you got value. Before you get going, I want to invite you to a free training that's really going to take your online income to the next level. Just click the first link directly below. You'll be able to see a totally free training revealing my #1 affiliate system to generate commissions even while you're sleeping, okay? A lot of people have gone through that, complete newbies, and have been able to generate their first $1,000 day, okay, even from complete zero. So if you like this video, again, like the video below. Also be sure to click the subscribe button and the bell icon so you never miss out on my latest videos. And until next time, my friend, I will see you on my next training.